Today is a lesson in how to fill out your absentee ballot in Ohio.
Gay.
Don't pay attention to him. Got this nice little pamphlet of vote by mail instruction guide. Step 1, vote. Important note, completely fill in the ovals next to your choice. Not voting for Kanye. Fuck the birthday party. Nobody got time for that. And we're voting for Joe Biden, obviously. Good. Ballot is done. See, all filled in. Nice little filled in bubbles. Fold that up. Ballot done. Step 2. You're going to get your secrecy envelope or identification envelope. That's this one. And we're going to fill in all of the highlighted information. So everything that's red on there, you're going to fill in. So you have to provide either the last 4 of your social security number or your Ohio driver's license number or a copy of current and valid photo identification, which they give you a whole list of them. But one of those things, not all of them. So there's all of my stuff. You see we filled it out, put in my birthday, put in my driver's license number, signed and dated with today's date, put in information for them to contact me. All done for the ID envelope. Now, I'm going to take your ID envelope, put that in your outside return envelope, and then we're going to do a quick check. We've filled out and signed the identification envelope. We sealed it. Put the ballot inside the envelope. Filled it out. Sealed it. Then we put the identification envelope inside this envelope. Now we're going to seal this one.
And then spin around 3 times and spit.
Throw some salt over your shoulder and hope it gets there on time. Then you're going to take a first class stamp, because it's first class mail. Put it on there. And you're going to write your return address on there. And that is it. Job's done. Now you go put it in the mail, or alternatively, you can take it to the to your polling place. Well, to the not the polling place, the Board of Elections, and put it in the drop box. Either one. That's it.